Here it is. I just got back. iPhone 12. I just decided to get an iPhone 12, and here it is. Hey there, friends on YouTube. My name is Jason, sometimes known as the JTL. This is Painfully Honest Tech. So honest it hurts. If this is your first time here, thank you for stopping by. If you've been here before, thank you for coming back again. We have today we have the iPhone 12. I'm going to have the iPhone 12 Pro showing up here via the UPS sometime soon, so you should come back and see me open that, and I'm going to be doing some comparisons and some camera stuff and etc. 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 It's iPhone Day. I love iPhone Day. iPhone Day is so much fun. Even when I'm mad at Apple, iPhone Day is still so much fun. And we have reason to be we have reason to be mad at Apple this year. You notice this felt little box they got going. There's no charger or headphones inside of this box, and that kind of stinks for a myriad reasons. I got a video right up there that tells you why I think it stinks, and you can watch that video, but not until after we're done with this. Verizon seems to have put a sticker over this easy open box. Man, these things, every year it's just like, it's made out of chocolate or something. It just sort of melts apart. There we go. We've got iPhone. Now see, this blue I got because I thought I would like this blue better than I would like the other blue, the Pro blue. The Pro blue is a little bit lighter. What else is in the box? Well, we have here a Lightning to USB-C cable. They give us this new cable, right? But this new cable terminates at a USB-C plug. We've never had a USB-C plug for an iPhone before, so the majority of people who are buying a new iPhone, they're not going to have the right plug. I have a list of some accessories that I think are good, that I've tried, companies that I've used, etc., etc. Down in the description below, you can check that out if you need to get yourself one. But just be aware that this is not the regular USB plug that you're used to. This is USB-C. So you're going to have to get yourself a little bit of a USB-C power adapter one way or the other. If you have a MacBook of recent vintage, a MacBook since 2016, you can plug this in and charge from your computer, I guess. We have a SIM ejection tool. They didn't take that out. That's good, because I'm going to have to put a new SIM in there. What else do they have in here? This is just a piece of cardboard. This is a very slim little user's guide. And then they have this. If you're familiar with Apple and what Apple does, usually there are two of these. Now there's only one. There's only one. As an unboxing experience, Apple makes great packaging. Their packages are always fun and everything like that. But this, let's move on to the phone. Why don't we do that? So there's no plastic on the back here. I've already got fingerprints all over it. And then you've got, this is a piece of paper this year, not a piece of plastic. And it just comes off like so. Bing, bing. We've got flat sides, brushed aluminum for those of you over in the UK, brushed aluminum for us here in the United States. This has the MagSafe. I got me one of the MagSafe chargers. Yeah, there we go. Ooh, it's on there. It's on there. Yeah. The MagSafe is very magnetized. Now, if you get yourself a MagSafe charger, you also have to remember that you need a USB-C charging brick for this as well. This is USB-C, not USB-A. So, but that's wank. Oh, and yeah. Oh. Well, I guess we get to test out that ceramic, glass, whatever. Brand new. It has the flat sides that I've wanted back ever since they went to the curved sides. I'm glad that we have the flat sides. Now let's turn it on. It has the A14 Bionic chip, the newest chip that Apple has. Supposedly 50% faster than the previous chips. So this is supposedly 50% faster than the iPhone 11, 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max. This feels really nice in the hand. It just feels really good. Feels really good in the hand. I got to admit, I wasn't sure exactly what we would be getting. It looks great. The iPhone 12 looked great in photos. I am not disappointed. It feels really good. I'm going to go ahead and get it set up and take a look. If you have any questions about anything about it, I will also have some camera stuff about this in my next video, as well as, you know, just kind of taking it through its paces. But so right now I'm going to finish getting it set up and kind of admire it and enjoy it and take it through its paces. What questions do you have? You let me know down in the comments below about this iPhone 12, and I'll do everything that I can to answer. Thanks so much for being here. I appreciate it. Once again, more videos coming up. iPhone 12 Pro in the gold. If you haven't already subscribed, please do hit the bell notification icon. If you've already subscribed, then hit the bell notification icon. If you haven't done that, say all notifications. If you're interested in some Painfully Honest Tech merchandise, I've got that down below this video. And if you want to really optimize your Painfully Honest Tech experience, there's memberships down there too. You can click on that button and find out what you get when you become a member of the Painfully Honest Tech Wizard Squad. So thanks so much for being here. I really do appreciate it. Once again, my name's Jason, sometimes known as the JTL. This is Painfully Honest Tech. Tech so honest it hurts. iPhone 12. iPhone 12. Until next time, I'm out.